Someone commented on one of my jams, "This is legit, very, very bad." And I thought to myself, maybe these hands aren't meant to be creating on the EP-133. So I decided to ask help from my robot friend Roberto, and he kindly agreed, so we got to work. So the thing is about Roberto is that he's not the most intelligent robot. You actually need to tell him what to do. So we started by just programming him pressing the play button. Once that worked, we decided to do some more complicated things with the fader. Yo bro, you just missed the fader. Oh, okay, this is gonna take a bit of trial and error. I think in the future I'm gonna design a robo fader that will be nice and wide so Roberto won't have trouble with it. After a bit more trial and error and a lot of coffee, we created this. During the middle of the jam, I decided to do something crazy. In between code routines, I decided to switch it up live and then send it to the robot. Sort of like a live performance, but with code. Check it. In theory, a lot could be done with this technology. I could potentially have some generative stuff and also be able to control it with a MIDI controller. There's a lot of stuff I can do. I was also thinking Roberto could be programmed to make me a taco when I'm hungry. So yeah. This isn't the only synth Roberto has played, and he's even played with some friends before. If you found this interesting, I have a whole playlist of robot arms playing instruments that you will probably enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, if you want me to expand on this, please let me know. This was a bit of a challenge to get done, but you know, Roberto liked it, I liked it, and we had a good time together. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.